this is Pallavi. Hello, how are you? आज किसी का हाई नहीं आया ऐसे. Normally, people have logged in before. It always happens. Yeah, so anyone who is present here can just say a quick hi to me. Anyone? I can see likes being increasing, which means people are there. Yes, please say hi. Let's see who all have joined today. Yep. Anyone? Are you not able to comment, guys? Quickly, let's see. Is there any technical challenge? Because I see a lot of highs, the time I joined. Anyone, please? Are you able to hear me? Hello? Yes, please, guys. Anyone? Is it okay? App is working fine at your end? It's strange. Hello? I'm just trying to reach out to the Goki team. Guys, please say hi. Yeah, some issues. Very strange. Are you not able to type? Say hi, guys. Say hi. Okay, I will just start with the session. I hope that this gets sorted because I really want to hear from your end. So the quiz is about to start in 2 minutes. Please do your best, join on time and win points. It's again a very interesting way to know more about health, fitness, that is for our own benefit. And immediately after the quiz, you can just join to my session. And yes, I'm not. How do I check? Wait. I'm not able to see the comments. Think just a second. Oh, great. Finally, I could see the comments. Thank you. I'm good, Rahul. Hi, Anjan. Hi, Sukhpreet. Hi, Sanket. Hi, Ved. Hi, Chetan. हाँ जी, तो इन्फॉर्मेशन ये है, टॉपिक का इन्फॉर्मेशन ये है बेसिकली. सो वी आर जस्ट सेकेंड. हाँ जी. So yeah, so the topic is about understanding male and female ejaculation. Okay, so we all know that men ejaculate at climax. And what about women? उनका क्या होता है? उनका सीन क्या है? Because female ejaculation is very poorly understood. तो इसकी बात करेंगे हम लोग कि what is male ejaculation, what is female ejaculation, how you can actually fasten the ejaculation process or you can slow it down. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में डिस्कशन होगा. So yes, mostly ejaculation is something that has always been associated with men and not with women. So this time I'm going to delve more deeper into the women ejaculation, because there are a lot of myths and false beliefs associated with women ejaculation. तो उसकी बात करेंगे primarily, and then because the topic is, it's not very much understood about male ejaculation, we will talk about how you can master your ejaculation, okay, how you can slow down the ejaculation process, because a lot of men suffer from premature ejaculation. That's like a lot of men. तो उसका क्या रीज़न होता है, how to like hold the control on your own ejaculation, how to last longer. तो उसकी कुछ नेचुरल टेक्निक्स बताऊंगी मैं, एंड देन ऑल्सो अबाउट हाउ टू गेट ejaculation fast. I mean, even it also happens vice versa, that there are men who are not able to ejaculate too soon. So I mean, there are a lot of men, because I'm a sex educator. I do get these cases where men say that we have so much of power that we can last for 3 hours, and then what happens to the woman? I mean, would she be able to take it for 3 hours? I mean, something, keep on thrusting. It can become tiring for her. तो उस केस में आप ejaculation कैसे फास्टन कर सकते हैं, कैसे ejaculation क्विकली कर सकते हैं, दोनों केसेस बताऊंगी. So yep, the quiz is about to get over in 1 minute 30 seconds from now. Okay. Hi Subhashini. Thanks Subhashini. सो बेसिकली जो ejaculation होता है उसके 2 स्टेट्स होते हैं, 3 स्टेट्स होते हैं. अराउजल होता है, प्लेट्यू होता है, एंड देन इट्स ऑर्गेजम. सो अराउजल इज लाइक इट्स बिल्डिंग अप, एंड देन सडनली you are like into it, and then you have that peak orgasm. So most of the times arousal is like, okay, for men it starts from the penis. Okay, penis is the center where arousal starts. So foreplay is not much important for men as it is for women, but even foreplay can be used in such a way that it actually supports climax. Okay, तो इसकी हम बात करेंगे आज. एंड ये भी होता है कई बार कि देर इज़ अ रिफ्रैक्टरी पीरियड. सो वंस you had ejaculated, the penis will droop. Okay, it will limp down, and then you can actually build it up. So even you can go for a second round of intercourse. And how you can do is, again, it droops. Okay, so yes, we are here to start with our topic. So let's first see the comments about this course. Yes, बताइए. बताइए देखिए कौन कौन हैं जो जिन्होंने स्कोर किया, टॉप स्कोर किया है, मिडिल स्कोर किया है, एंड हु हैव अटेम्प्टेड इट. इवन दैट्स लाइक ग्रेट, राइट. सो आप लाइफ में कुछ अटेम्प्ट करते हैं, उसकी भी एक शाबाशी मिलनी चाहिए. तो बताइए. यस गाइस, लेट्स कमेंट. Let's first comment, and then we'll just move to the session. 50. Okay, Siddiq 50, Charles 50, nice. 50. Great. Nice. Okay, fabulous. So that's great, guys. Great for attempting and scoring high. So let's start with the session. तो पहले तो ये समझना है कि the way women experience sexual pleasure is very different from a man. Okay, because हमारा जो genital है, that is located inside our body. Okay, and then there is no physical proof of orgasm, unlike men. So men have their genitals located outside the body, so it is very clear to see the changes that is happening in a penis. So it's like it becomes really there is a blood flowing into it, so it becomes erect. Okay, so you can see the erection, Then you can see the ejaculation, you can see the change in shape, like once it has ejaculated it becomes again soft, right? So you can actually notice all the physical changes in the male genitalia, because it's an external genitalia, even the ball, like the scrotum, even the shaft of the penis. So everything can be actually seen from the outside, what is happening to it. For women, we have our genitalia located inside our body, so it's very difficult to detect any change related to orgasm, क्योंकि vagina का shape बदल रहा है नहीं बदल रहा है, या labia कुछ ऐसे हो रही, because it's like really inside. Okay, it's located between the thighs. That's the one thing. And then there is no physical proof of orgasm, like there is no release of semen, unlike men. So men have a release of semen, so you can actually see that, okay, he can even feel for himself that, okay, semen has come out. But for women, it's like, you know, they don't even know what is going to come out. So coming means it's very different, and it differs from women to women, and there is not much of education around how women come. So let's talk about female ejaculation. First thing is, female ejaculation is not linked to orgasm. Like, it doesn't mean that if a woman has ejaculated, she has got her orgasm. No, it is not linked to it, but it can come from orgasm also. So there is a very high chance of ejaculation with orgasm. So it doesn't mean that she has ejaculated, which means she has orgasmed, but if she orgasms, there's a high chance of her being ejaculating. So there is something called as female ejaculation, and female ejaculation को generally porn में कहा जाता है squirting. Okay, but as a sex educator, we use a language called female ejaculation. तो porn में बहुत ज़्यादा hype बनाया जाता है female ejaculation को लेके कि like you can literally spray the walls, or you can actually shoot the fluid right in the center of the eye, like it's so strong, it's so much, so copious. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब ऐसा माना जाता है कि जो फीमेल ejaculation होती है, that's like huge amount of fluid, which it is. Okay, it can be, but it's not always. So porn has actually, heightened. Squirting is there in women, Rahul, it is there, and it's a very pale fluid. It could be like thick and sticky like a semen, or it could be pale, like colorless and odorless. There could be two kinds of fluids. So I'm coming back to that. So yeah, porn has actually over emphasized about the female ejaculation, that okay, woman has to ejaculate, she will be like superwoman, she has super orgasm, so it's always linked to orgasm. So this is the first myth breaker, that female ejaculation doesn't always lead to orgasm. I mean, you cannot connect the two, but there is a high probability of both coming together. So it's not always that one will lead to the other, but yes, both can happen at the same time, because जो female ejaculation होता है, it happens from G-spot stimulation. Okay, and G-spot stimulation can also lead to orgasm. तो ये चीज़ होती है female ejaculation का. Now let's understand that female ejaculation is not a recent term. It is not something that has been like invented recently. It dates as time back to Aristotle. So Aristotle has also mentioned of female orgasm. In certain tantric scripts, it is mentioned that female ejaculation is also known as amrita, which is like nectar. Okay, so nectar of the god कहते हैं, तांत्रिक टेक्स्ट में लिखा हुआ है कि it's like it is amrita. Okay, then पैरागोमन करके एक थे, उन्होंने भी लिखा कि it flows from the woman. Okay, and it happens from the greatest pleasure in coitus. तो greatest pleasure in intercourse होता है, and that is where the fluid flows from the woman. Kama Sutra has talked about female ejaculation, which is like similar to semen. So Kama Sutra says there is a female semen. Okay, and then Taoist text है, वो कहते हैं कि there is a slippery vagina. Okay, so you can see there are numerous references to female ejaculation in the historic texts, even by the scholars, philosophers like Aristotle. Kama Sutra, Taoist text में लिखा रहता है कि slippery vagina है. So it has been since ages. Female ejaculation has been since ages. Now let's talk about the shame about it, because female ejaculation comes from urethra. तो होता तो जी स्पॉट स्टिमुलेशन से होता है, विच इज़ इनसाइड द वेजाइना, बट द इजैकुलेशन हैपन्स फ्रॉम द यूरिथ्रा, विच इज़ द सेम ओपनिंग फ्रॉम वेयर यूरिन कम्स इन, एंड दैट लीड्स टू द confusion, because a lot of women think that it is basically their urine, and they are like very shameful. I mean, you cannot pee on top of your lover or on your lover, so they think that it is not. So the sensation that happens because of arousal, they think it is about peeing, so they immediately run to the bathroom. So the first question I ask women in my sessions is, how many of you while making love have to rush to the bathroom? Okay, and almost 30% will raise their hand, even including myself, because I was also sometimes not aware that is it the pee or is it the ejaculation. So and then 30% of the women actually hold. So even though they are not like running to the bathroom, they will hold. So they will clench their pelvic muscles and hold back, and will like tighten their pelvic floor muscles because they don't want to pee. So imagine that clenching up, like you have to really restrain yourself while the male is like thrusting, thinking that okay, you will pee. So that's like 60% of women holding their female ejaculation, because a lot of times it could be the ejaculatory fluid, but because it comes from the urethra and there is a sensation, they think it is the pee, it is the urine, and they are like really ashamed of peeing, because that is what they think. They cannot think that it can be an ejaculatory fluid because it comes from the same opening. Okay, let's see some questions. Me and my partner have sex if she gets pregnant. We use condom and I always ejaculate my partner's. See, Pavitra, because if you say that you ejaculate outside your partner's vagina, that is not 100% safe in terms of pregnancy, because there is something called pre-cum. Pre-cum क्या होता है? Pre-cum is a kind of seminal fluid that happens before ejaculation. So there is already some kind of secretion in the penis if it gets wet, and that also contains sperm. And plus, sperms are motile, so they can actually swim back into the vagina. So even if you're ejaculating outside the vagina, maybe say on the groin area, inside of the thighs, sperm can actually like swim and go back into the vagina. Though the chances are rare, like it's not like very high probability, but yes, it can happen. So better not take a risk. And I think there are a lot of condoms, especially dotted condoms, that are made for enhanced pleasure. So even thanks to technology, we actually think that no, you should not use a condom, because कहीं ना कहीं education नहीं है, हमें uncomfortable लगता है use करने में. So that's something that you can actually see. But in case, now I'm assuming that I'm telling, considering that you and your partner are in a relationship, and you are like sexually also like having choices, where you both of you are not sleeping with random strangers. I mean, you are not in an open relationship, rather I would say, because क्या होता है कि अगर आप open relationship में, then you don't know who is sleeping with whom. But if two people are like in a relationship and having sex with each other itself, and are sure that okay, the person is like disease free, STI free, then you can go for birth control pills. Okay, so birth control pills में आप जा सकते हैं. Okay, so yeah, so birth control pill में आप उसको भी use कर सकते हैं. Then there are like other things which is like ये copper T होता है. Then there are some implants. So like there are some implants that are used in, like they are implanted inside the arm, and they release hormone at a regular interval. So you can actually check a gynecologist. There are like lot of contraception options available these days. So it's not just that the birth control pill and condom are the only one. Like there are tons of contraception options. So preferably go to a gynecologist and talk about it. Okay. Then there is a female condom also. So why not use a female condom which she wears and you don't have to wear? So you may also try that. Okay, why not? Female condom is safe, Ashwini, only when, and what are you talking about? Please, I hope that's not an abuse. So female condoms are safe only when they are used properly, they are worn properly. अगर गलत तरह से पहनते हैं उसको, then it is like 70% effective. If rightly worn, they are like 95% effective, but they are still less ineffective than effective than condoms, male condoms. So 95% female condom efficacy rate hai when they are, you know, worn properly. So yeah. Uma, pills like birth control pills, I'm not talking about emergency contraceptive pill, that is like an emergency pill. Birth control pills, they may see a lot of women who are having irregular periods also go for birth control pills because they are basically hormones. So they are given in a certain dosage which is like appropriate to body, but maybe you can have slight nausea or headache or maybe slight gain in weight. But these are manageable. I mean, there is no like long term, because they are designed for that purpose. They are designed for long term use. So there could be some slight side effects that can be managed, but not big side effects. Okay, but you should always consult a gynecologist before going for a pill, and that's also helpful क्योंकि गायनी आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताती हैं, which is a good post to achieve female ejaculation. Mostly they say G-spot stimulation happens in a doggy style. तो वो होता है, and then where G-spot is located 5 centimeter inside the frontal wall of vagina, which is like towards the belly button. तो belly button की तरफ जो आपका पोर्शन जाता है वेजाइना का, वहाँ पे जी स्पॉट लोकेटेड होता है, एंड इट्स अ फॉर्म ऑफ अ जोन. सो इट इज़ नॉट अ क्लियर कट, यू नो, एनाटॉमिकल, हाउ डू आई से, स्ट्रक्चर, बट इट इज़ मोर लाइक अ जोन. जैसे इट्स लाइक, यू नो, एन एरिया, टेक्सचर्ड एरिया. सो इट विल हैव मोर रफनेस, मोर, यू नो, ग्रेनेस काइंड ऑफ feel than the other areas, and it is like located almost 5 centimeter inside the frontal wall of vagina, which is like towards the belly button. And how do you stimulate the G spot is using the cum heather position. So cum heather position is like this, okay, and you can massage it, and basically G spot massaging can lead to, there is a Ken's glands जो होते हैं वहाँ से basically ejaculation fluid create होता है. Okay, so this fluid is, you know, you can actually Ken's glands होते हैं. Ken's gland जो होते हैं वहाँ से fluid create होता है, which has PCA. PCA is an enzyme, fructose. So basically it has been seen that some ejaculatory fluids have almost the same composition as semen. So fructose is present both in the woman ejaculation as well as the male ejaculation. तो ये चीज़ें होती हैं. So this is about the kind of this. Now let's talk about the shame, because that's a big thing. See, sensation from the vaginal ejaculation makes a lot of people jitter. Like I said, that they don't want to pee on the partner, so they hold back. So a lot of women do not even experience the ejaculation. In fact, one of my friends, she was recently talking about it, that okay, Pallavi, I came so much in my one of the sexual encounters that I almost soaked the entire bed sheet. And I was like, really? I mean, yes, this can happen. Like some women can actually ejaculate so much that it soaks the entire bed sheet, and it is our ejaculation fluid and not the urine. And secondly, again, it depends, like every woman is anatomically capable of having ejaculation, but 50% women, it is seen that they have achieved it. Okay, so just do not think about the shame and embarrassment. Maybe you can actually pee before you go have sex. So this is what I also do, so that your bladder is empty. Now if your bladder is empty and in between the intercourse you have that sensation, you have that like filling of the bladder, most likely it is the ejaculatory fluid. So you can actually use this you know, as a technique to get those ejaculatory fluids. So have pee before going for intercourse. So it was even done as a study where, like, you know, some women have volunteered, so there was done a ultrasound scan, and before making love their bladder was empty, as it was seen in the ultrasound scan. And then after having sex they had the fluid and they released the fluid, and then also the bladder was seen as empty, which means that during the arousal phase the fluid fills inside the bladder. Okay, so you may think that okay, the fluid you may compel to release is urine, but it is not. Okay, so do not think that okay, it's about pee. It because the opening is same, urethra. Both urine and ejaculatory fluid can come from urethra, so make the difference. Okay, and it is not something as a mystery and magic like female ejaculation, you know. uh, okay, Nilesh has asked some question. No, Mahesh, oral sex has risk of cancer? I don't think so. But yes, unsafe oral sex can lead to STIs and STDs. So maybe you can just double check. To my knowledge, I don't think oral sex is linked to cancer. But again, I mean, you can actually check from the cancer specialist. तो अभी दो तरह के फ्लूइड्स होते हैं, एक होता है स्क्विटिंग फ्लूइड होता है, एक होता है एजैकुलेटरी फ्लूइड. सो स्क्विटिंग फ्लूइड इज बेसिकली कलरलेस एंड ऑर्डरलेस. एजैकुलेटरी फ्लूइड जो होता है वो मोर ऑफ अ स्टिकी एंड स्लाइटली थिक एंड इट रिसेंबल्स द मेल सीमेन. सो this is like the female orgasm. Now let's talk about male ejaculation. Okay, so male ejaculation is basically, as you know, male ejaculation happens with climax. Like the man has come, he has been sexually aroused and he has orgasm. But some men have a problem with too soon an ejaculation, and some men actually don't ejaculate. So what to be done? These are two different things. So one way you can do is to master your ejaculation is focusing on the breath. Like if you are like actually coming in and out, and then your breath also becomes faster. So breath को आपको deep करना है. So start breathing from the belly and start breathing longer. So you have to breathe in the count of 1 to 4, like 1 2 3 4 inhale, 1 2 3 4 exhale. So this means you have like lengthen the breath. Okay, and then you breathe deeply and slow down. Do not be in a hurry, just slow down, and then you can again pick up. And that you can do is at the pleasure scale of 6 to 10. 6 से 10 की प्लेजर स्केल में. तो पहली चीज़ ये है कि जो मैंने पहला टेक्निक बताया, अगर कुछ लोगों को, कुछ जो मेन है, अगर उनको फास्ट इजैकुलेशन का प्रॉब्लम है कि इजैकुलेशन जल्दी होता है, तो उसके लिए एक टेक्निक है कि आप अपने ब्रेथ पे काम कर सकते हैं, सांस पे काम कर सकते हैं, गहरी सांस ले सकते हैं. तो 1 2 3 4 सांस अंदर लीजिए, 1 2 3 4 सांस बाहर लीजिए. तो इससे क्या होगा, आपकी सांस गहरी हो जाएगी. और बेली से सांस लीजिए, मतलब आपका जो पेट है अंदर हवा जानी चाहिए. जनरली हम जब तेज़ सांस लेते हैं तो हमारी जो सांस है यहाँ तक ही रहती है, नीचे नहीं जाती है, लेकिन बेली तक जानी चाहिए. मतलब आपका बेसिकली आपका जो सांस होता है वो ऑक्सीजन का कैरियर होता है, और ऑक्सीजन से आपका ब्लड फ्लो इंक्रीज़ होता है. तो पीनस में ज़्यादा ब्लड फ्लो इंक्रीज़ होगा, तो विच मीन्स आप ज़्यादा देर तक लास्ट कर सकते हो, लॉन्गर कर सकते हो, ज़्यादा देर तक स्टे कर सकते हो. तो ब्रीथ पे काम कीजिए, सांस पे काम कीजिए, गहरी सांस लीजिए, इत्मीनान से सांस लीजिए. जब आप क्लाइमेक्स की तरफ पहुंच रहे हैं, सांस को धीमी कीजिए, सांस को गहरी कीजिए. ये एक टेक्निक है. एंड सेकेंड टेक्निक इज़ ऑल्सो अबाउट the होल्डिंग ऑफ देर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड उडियाना बंधा. तो उडियाना बंधा जो होता है, इट्स ए योगा पोस्चर होता है, और उसमें आप यू कैन एक्चुअली सर्च ऑन द इंटरनेट टू हाउ टू डू. सो बेसिकली आपने सांस अंदर ली, सांस एक्सेल किया, पेट को दबा के आपको घुटनों के बल खड़ा होना है, घुटनों पे खड़ा होना, घुटनों पे जो आपके थाइस पे आपको हाथ रख के झुकना है आफ्टर एक्सेलिंग. सो इनहेल किया, तेज़ी से सांस बाहर किया, नीचे झुका, और घुटनों के ऊपर हाथ रख के आप नीचे झुके और सांस रोका हुआ है तब तक. तो बेसिकली उससे क्या होता है कि आपकी जो पीवीसी मसल्स होती हैं उस पर स्ट्रेंथनिंग काम होता है, तो उस पर काम करना चाहिए. जो उडियाना बंधा इज़ वेरी इफेक्टिव टेक्निक फॉर मास्टरिंग द इजैकुलेशन. नाउ कमिंग टू कि कुछ लोगों का इजैकुलेशन लेट होता है, तो उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं. तो फोप्ले में कोई टेक्निक्स होती हैं, फोप्ले कर सकते हैं, एडवांस फोप्ले फॉर मेन ऑल्सो कर सकते हैं. ऐसा कहा था मेन के लिए फोप्ले इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, बट है. तो उनकी ईयर्स, सो फॉर विमेन हु थिंक दैट कि देयर मेन आर नॉट एबल टू इजैकुलेट वेरी सून, तो उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, आप उनको थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा फोप्ले दे सकते हैं, विच इज़ लाइक निबलिंग देयर ईयर, किसिंग द निप्पल्स, प्लेइंग विद द निप्पल्स, even like प्लेइंग विद द शाफ्ट, तो पीनस का जो शाफ्ट होता है, पीनस जो ऐसे होता है इसका शाफ्ट होता है, उसको भी आप हाथ से हल्का सा स्ट्रोक कर सकती हैं। वी शेप में आप ऐसे यू कैन होल्ड द शाफ्ट, सो यू कैन स्क्रैच द बैक, स्क्रैच हिज बैक स्क्रैचिंग कर सकते हैं, प्ले विद द बॉल्स। सो लॉट ऑफ फोर प्ले टेक्निक्स यू कैन यूज़, add more creativity to the foreplay. Like I said, few examples मैंने दिया, इसमें आप क्या क्या कर सकती है, तो foreplay ऐड कर सकती है जिससे उनका arousal जल्दी होगा. So even for men foreplay is important. Then there is one more technique called edging. एजिंग जो होता है, टेक्निक होता है, वो भी आपका इजैकुलेशन जल्दी लाने के लिए होता है. इट्स लाइक द एक्ट ऑफ स्टॉपिंग एंड स्टार्टिंग द सेक्स. सो एज यू कैन सी ही इज अप्रोचिंग क्लाइमेक्स, you stop him, okay, you stop him and withdraw completely and take that time, and he's like already, oh god, so he's already aroused. तो उस केस में just back off, watch him and then again come back and then again start getting into the play. तो उस केस में भी ejaculation faster होता है. तो edging होता है, it's like stopping and starting, stopping, starting. So you think that okay, he is like aroused, just stop. So he will be like okay, there is a tendency to ejaculate. तो ये एक टेक्निक होता है, ये आप कर सकते हैं. It's not same, Vijaya. Like I said, we have different genitals. Okay, for men ejaculation happens with the orgasm. With women it is more of an internal phenomena. Okay, so it is like a lot of women describe orgasm very differently for them. So there is no standard okay, you will be orgasming in such way, but definitely clitoris stimulation is very essential for women orgasm, very much. So clitoris जो होता है वो एक top पे होता है, it's like a bulb like structure, okay, and a lot of stimulation, oral or as well as manual stimulation is necessary for a woman to reach orgasm. So that's where in fact I will say that okay, if you actually, for all the women in this session, so I will say if you really want to know what an orgasm is like, you can actually use a vibrator. So that's like okay, vibrators also can give you an idea of, though it's a very I won't say overuse it or become addicted to it, please don't do that, but I think for a one time use or for an infrequent use, vibrators are best. I mean, they are like they are being reviewed in a lot of न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड सेक्शुअल वेलनेस कैटेगरी दे कम अंडर. तो प्लीज़ आप वो भी आप देख सकती हैं. जस्ट एक्सप्लोर अ वाइब्रेटर, फील हाउ इट फील्स, यू विल एक्चुअली एक्सप्लोर योर ओन प्लेजर. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइज. आई होप you got some information about female ejaculation particularly, क्योंकि उसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं होती है कि female ejaculation, it's a good thing. I mean, you can actually try and just let her be. So don't think it's a urine, it's a continence problem. जैसे कहते हैं कि अच्छा किसी को ejaculation आता है, she cannot hold her urine. No, studies have been done जिसमें ये निकला है कि अगर आपका ब्लैडर खाली है और फिर आप सेक्स कर रही हैं, उसके बाद भी आपका फ्लूइड आता है, दैट्स नॉट द यूरिन. ओके, सो दैट्स एन ejaculation fluid. It can be secreted during arousal in the bladder itself. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for your time, and I hope you got education about the bedroom dynamics, and stay tuned. We have like a lot of topics coming up, so be the force, be educated, and stay blessed. Good night.